How to add filter in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add filter and make changes in the photo. So first of all, here in the middle, tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or open any of your projects. Here I'm opening my older project. So you're in this editing platform now. Here on the bottom, you can see the option called tools on the second. Tap on it. Again, tap on this adjust button. So this is the adjust settings where you can make changes in the photo. So basically this is the filter that you can make for the photo. So here are sliders that you can change accordingly. So tap on another one and choose accordingly however you like. So there are a lot of options here. Customize it however you like, and at last tap on the stick button on the top and you're done. So this is how you add filter. Thank you for watching.